Guys, this world is going mad. Anyways, hello out there, welcome back to my channel. Sorry, I am coming off a little sad right now because of the situation that's going on. The world is going mad. I hope you guys are staying safe. I hope you're following all the necessary precautions to fight this virus. I have never seen anything like this in my lifetime. I am in my late 30s and I have never seen anything like this, and I'm not scared. Let me just say that I'm not scared, but I'm scared of the implications that this virus is going to cause and what's going to happen in the next couple of months when hopefully everything settles down and I think things are going to get crazy. Not because more people are going to die, but I think the implications of the virus, and it's scary knowing what might happen to the world. I mean, there's a lot of travel ban going on right now. There are lots of businesses closing down. People are losing their jobs. They can't pay their rents. They can't buy food. The stores are running out of food. It's absolutely mad, you guys. Like, I cannot believe what's going on in the world right now. But I'm telling you guys, you know, just stay safe as much as you can. Make sure that you wash your hands. I know people are saying this all the time, and a lot of people are like, oh, it's so cliche right now, but it's important to make sure that you keep your hands clean, you wash them, you practice self-distancing, self-isolation and all those stuff, so that we can rid the world of this virus, this deadly virus. A lot of people are dying and it's scary times right now, so make sure that you guys, you know, keep safe and follow all the necessary precautions. It's a sad place right now, the world, and I know a lot of people are very, very scared, but just, you know, be strong. It will get better. This too shall pass, okay? I mean, the world has seen, you know, things like this back then before you and I were born, and they've managed to go through it and you know, fight it and get stronger. And that's what's gonna happen, you guys. We're gonna get stronger, and this thing is gonna go away. It might take a while, but it will go away, and we will get back to normal, and we'll get our jobs back. We'll start having more foods in the shops, and we'll be able to travel and enjoy life once again. So as I said, be strong, you guys. Stay safe. This too shall pass. So a lot of you are wondering, what am I going to do in these days, you know, the upcoming weeks? What am I going to do? I'm in self-isolation, I'm quarantined, I'm this, I'm that, I don't have anywhere to go, because some people, they don't like to stay home, they like to go about, they like to go out and enjoy, you know, the world, and it's fine. Some people are like that, but the things, I'm going to tell you some tips that might help you in the upcoming days or weeks or months even. I'm not sure how long this thing is going to last, but let me just give you a few tips. Now, if you don't have a Kindle, get yourself a Kindle on Amazon. You can find so many interesting books to read on Kindle. Even if you don't like Kindle, just buy some books, buy hard copies of books, buy books, actual books, and read. That will keep your mind off of things. I have a Kindle and I read a lot, you guys. Nowadays, I'm reading a lot, and it is helping me to get my mind off of what's happening in the world. So if you're not into reading, I would say go ahead and purchase yourself a Kindle, or get some books and stay home and lay on your bed, lay on the sofa, wherever, and read. Second thing is get Netflix. If you don't have Netflix, you know, get Amazon Prime or whatever the other alternatives are. Get some of those, but I watch Netflix. I've always been watching Netflix, but more so now. I'm watching a lot of series that will keep you entertained. Watch Netflix. There are so many series on Netflix, so many things to choose from on Netflix, so you don't have to necessarily watch the same things everybody's watching. There are so many different movies and series on Netflix to watch, so make sure that you go ahead and subscribe to Netflix and get a lot of, you know, watch a lot of series or movies that are on Netflix. There are like thousands and thousands of movies and series on Netflix, so go ahead, and Amazon Prime, as I said, so go ahead and subscribe to these and entertain yourselves, you guys, because it's sticky out there. And the third thing I want to say to you guys is play games with your family. If you're indoors and you're stuck with your mom and your dad or your kids, find games to play. I mean, there are so many things to do, you guys. Don't just say, oh, I'm so bored, I don't know what to do. There's so many things to do. Play games, find games to do. I mean, go back to basics. I remember when I was growing up in Jamaica, we used to play a lot of games outdoor, I mean, in the yard, once your yard is contained. Or in the house, you can play stuff in the house even. You can play cards, Monopoly, Uno. There are so many things to play, you guys. So find games to play with your family. If you don't have a family and you're single, go online and find games to play and entertain yourself. Another thing I want to say to you guys is watch YouTube videos. I mean, YouTube is filled with makeup videos, DIYs videos, fashion videos, videos of gamers, all sorts of videos you can find on YouTube. So why don't you just entertain yourself by watching YouTube videos? I mean, shameless plug, you know I'm a YouTuber, so of course I have lots of videos to watch. You can binge watch videos on YouTube. I have lots of videos, so if you guys are bored, go ahead and check out my other videos. And yeah, just there are so many things to do, you guys. Draw, sing, make videos. TikTok is very popular right now, you guys, and I see a lot of the youngsters are making TikTok videos. Personally, I'm not into TikTok because I feel like it's not for me. It's one of those social platforms that is definitely not for me, so you won't find me on TikTok. But you know, a lot of people are into TikTok. They're into Thriller, Facebook Live, whatever. There are so many things to do, you guys, so please make sure that you find things to do to keep yourself entertained whilst you're not at work and you're home with your family and your kids. Just find things to do, cook, bake, so many things to do, you guys. So make sure that you keep yourself entertained and keep yourself out of trouble. Okay guys, so to lighten the mood a little bit, I'm just going to go ahead and show you some palettes that I just bought from the brand called The Makeup Shack. Now that we're home, we're going to be doing a lot of online shopping, and I'm trying to stay away from that because it can get really serious where I'm spending too much money. But anyways, I went on their site, this brand called Makeup Shack. I discovered them on Instagram. I follow them on Instagram, so I saw some palettes that looked really nice. I was intrigued, so I went ahead and picked up 2 of their palettes, and they are called Ocean Breeze and Rainforest palettes. Now these palettes were carefully wrapped, you guys. They were wrapped like several times in bubble wrap, and I think that's really essential, especially if it's coming from a long way. It's essential for brands or companies to wrap their stuff properly so that there is no breakage and you don't have to give people their money back or send them products again. So I think one thing about them I observed, which I was really liking, is that they made sure that their products were wrapped up really well. So kudos to Makeup Shack for that. Now they came in a sleeve like this. So this is what their outer sleeve looks like, and it says The Makeup Shack. Quite simple, nothing too fussy, and I like that. The only thing I do not like is that it's white, and of course it's going to get messy, but never mind that. So this is their first palette. It's called Ocean Breeze, and it looks like this. It's a cardboard material, and it's very lightweight. It reminds me so much of the Morphe palettes, except they are smaller, and the Morphe palettes are usually like plastic, but this is a cardboard packaging, so it's very travel friendly. Now when you open it, you guys, of course I said it comes with a protective sleeve like this, protective coat like this, and when you open it, it looks a little something like this. It doesn't have any mirrors, which is okay for me, but usually I prefer palettes to have mirrors. Never mind that. Anyways, so it comes with 35 shades. My goodness, guys, it looks so much like the Jaclyn Hill palette. Similar color scheme with the pops of colors right here, and then you've got like the neutrals, the brown tones, the bronzy tones, and all that in this palette. And I thought, wow, this looks a lot like the Morphe palettes, except I don't think they're the same quality as the Morphe palette, but they are very similar. So have a look, you guys, and tell me what you think. Very similar. I'm going to show you the Jaclyn Hill palette in a minute. Okay guys, so this is, sorry about the mess, so this is the Jaclyn Hill from Morphe palette, and as you can see, it's quite a similar setup as the Makeup Shack Ocean Breeze palette. It's got the pops of color right here. Now I'm going to hold up the Makeup Shack palette. So this is the Makeup Shack palette, and this is the Jaclyn Hill palette. I think it's similar in a lot of ways, but guys, this palette is much cheaper. This palette is $12.99. So I would say if you're just starting out in makeup, if you're a makeup artist and you want something on the more affordable side, I would say go ahead and pick up this palette. I haven't swatched it yet, so I'm going to go ahead and just show you how some of the colors look. The shades don't have a name, unfortunately, so I can't tell you what they are called. So basically I just swatched a few of the shades, and this is what they look like. Very, very nice shades, and these are the shimmer shades. It has 15 shimmer shades in this palette. So it's got 15 shimmer shades and 20 matte shades, because it has 35 shades. So it's got 20 matte shades and 15 shimmer shades. So these are the shimmer shades, which I think are lovely. I'm going to go ahead and swatch these right here for you guys on my finger so you can see how they look. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch these quickly for you. Let me see. So this is what they look like. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love this palette. I've swatched the other one, which I'm going to put videos of because my camera is about to die. I'm going to go ahead and show you the other palette fully swatched. I haven't fully swatched this one, but the colors are really, really nice, and they're so worth the $12.99. So my lovelies, this is the Rainforest palette, and this palette has all the beautiful bold shades. This is going to be perfect for spring, summer, and I absolutely love the pop of colors in the middle right there. It's such a great palette. So darlings, this palette has 16 shimmers and 19 mattes. That lovely brownish red color there is going to be great for your transition, and that's first row. Okay, my lovely, so this is the second row, and the colors are absolutely beautiful. The two greens on the left are very, very similar, but they are beautiful nonetheless. This is the third row, and this is where all the matte bold shades are, and they're absolutely beautiful, but you will have to build them up. Now this is the fourth row. Look at the colors, how they are popping, especially the shimmer shades. Absolutely beautiful, you guys. And then this is the fifth and final row, where you have like the deep blues and stuff, and the black is not the blackest of black, but nonetheless a great palette. Okay, my lovelies, I just wanted to quickly come on here and find out how you're doing. So please let me know how you're doing in the comment section down below. Let me hear your thoughts on these palettes. If it's something that you'd like to try, I will leave the link in the description box so you guys can go ahead and check out this brand. I really, really love the palettes. They're absolutely amazing. For the price, I would say go ahead and get them. They're beautiful palettes. They're nice and they're lightweight, so you can travel with them wherever you're going. And I would say go ahead and get these palettes. The only downside is that they're, you know, in the white packaging, which is going to get dirty really quickly, and they don't have any names and they don't have any mirrors. But apart from that, they're really nice palettes. So let me know what your thoughts are, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please keep safe. I love you guys, and let's pray that this horrible virus will go away and we will return to our normal lives and everything will be okay. I love you guys. Stay safe. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, turn the notifications on, and leave me a comment to let me know what's going on with you. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you soon. Mwah. Stay safe. Love you all. Bye.